Being able to assign different notification sounds to specific apps on your Galaxy S25 can save you time and help you identify alerts without even looking at your screen. Here's how you can customize it. Start by tapping the Home button to return to your main screen. From there, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap on the Settings icon. Once you're in Settings, go to Notifications. Inside the Notifications menu, tap on App Notifications. You'll see a list of installed apps. Scroll through and select the one you want to set a custom notification sound for. For this example, let's go with the Messages app. When you're inside the app's notification settings, scroll down and choose Notification Categories. Pick a category, like New Messages, then tap on Sound. A list of notification tones will appear. Choose the tone that best fits that app, and if needed, adjust the sound level to your liking. After making your selection, tap the back arrow to confirm your changes. Now, every time you get a message, it'll use the sound you just set, making it easy to distinguish it from other notifications. You can follow this same process for other apps like Gmail or any other app that supports notification categories. Once you're finished, tap the Home button to return to your home screen. And that's it. Now you'll always know which app is alerting you just by the sound. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more useful Galaxy tips.